This is a 1969 Lamborghini Miura P400 S, finished in the incredible Verde Miura green, kind of a pistachio. It's got the blue interior, and right back here, what makes this car so special is the trans-mounted V12 that puts out 370 horsepower, which made this car the first mid-engine two-seat sports car in the world. That gated 5-speed shifter really makes this car sing, and it's all about the combination. They were so thoughtful and intentional about how air moved in and around the car. Right here, hidden in the louvers, is in fact your door handle to get in. I mean, everything about this car really shows the one thing that Lamborghini has always been true to. It's long, it's low, it's fast, it's over-the-top color combinations that make these things so special, and truly, the way they move the air around the car to use it to make the most power they can, this car is special. And it's gonna make somebody really happy when it crosses the block at Mecum Monterey, August 2025.